Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Palmetto Estates local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving is defined as transporting objects across a distance of at least 50 miles. We have a solid working connection with the federal and local agencies in charge of the relocation process. We can move your belongings safely across state lines, locally, and within a state. We've also made arrangements for insurance to cover any hazards that may arise during and after the relocation. Our professional movers and drivers ensure that your possessions arrive at their destination safely and on time. We never cheat our customers, and our prices are reasonable. We are no exception to the rule that local transfers are much less expensive than long-distance transfers. Our local moving costs are relatively affordable, ranging from $30 to $40 an hour. Our hardworking and certified movers will provide you great value for your money. We know how to get around congested areas and cities, so you can rest assured that your packages will arrive safely and on time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palmetto Estates moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.